PassTime's first ever battery-powered GPS solution, Encore, is revolutionizing the industry. Encore provides a wide variety of benefits to help nearly any industry track, monitor, and protect their assets. If it moves, Encore can track it. This wire-free battery-powered GPS solution includes benefits such as pinpoint GPS tracking, so you can stay connected to your assets, advanced battery technology that provides up to 4+ years of battery life without ever needing to recharge, and a simple self-activation process so you can use it whenever you're ready. Select from different power modes so you can maximize battery life with the features that fit your needs. Our ultra-compact and lightweight design and optional rugged case make it easy to place Encore just about anywhere on your asset. No installation required. Experience PassTime's wire-free GPS solution to track what matters to you. To learn more about Encore, visit us at PassTimeGPS.com today.